Hello friends, welcome to the Technical Trends YouTube channel. I am Dharma. I am back after an unavoidable break to present these two best stocks for rest of 2021. They are technically and fundamentally strong stocks which will give you tremendous returns in short to medium term. Most of my stocks which I gave in my earlier videos in 2021 have reached targets and still doing extremely good, and you may track them in our previous videos. Friends, if you'd like to know more profitable stocks like this, then make sure to subscribe and stay connected with our channel. Let's get started. Friends, the first company is Tata Power. The company and its fundamentals are the Tata Power, together with its subsidiaries and joint entities, has a generation capacity of 12,808 megawatts, of which 30% comes from clean energy sources. The company has the distinction of being among the top private players in such sector of the value chain, including solar, rooftop, and value-added services. The Tata Power is a pioneer credited with steering the energy sector on technology, process, and platform. Since its inception in 1915, Tata Power now has over a century of expertise in technology leadership, project execution excellence, world-class safety process, customer care, and driving green initiatives. Tata Power is committed to lighting up lives for generations to come. Tata Power is into renewable energy generation, conventional energy generation, transmission distribution, EV charging infrastructure, solar rooftop, manufacturing, and EPC large projects. This company is a large cap company with 37,976 crores. Today it has closed 118.85 price. Price to book is just below 2, is 1.5. Return on equity is 5, way below generally supposed to be 15 or between 10 and 15. It's more lower than that, and 1 year performance is 174%. Net profit is 365, net sales is 32,468, and debt to equity is 1.72. So few good and bad things about the company. Good things: raising net cash flow and cash from operating activity, growth in net profit with increasing profit margin quarter on quarter, book value per share improving for last 2 years. Company with decreasing promoters pledge, that's good. Bad ones are high interest payments compared to earnings, inefficient use of shareholder funds, which is return on equity declining in the last 2 years, inefficient use of assets to generate profits, return on assets declining in the last 2 years. The price movement is 178% away from 52 weeks low, 10% away from 52 weeks high. It's an outperformer. When we compare with Nifty, it has performed 10%, whereas 3.9% in last 1 month. So this week it fell 4%, and it's a pullback. 1 month performance is 10%, 3 months 17, year to date is 57, 1 year 174%, in 3 years 56%. Let's see the technical performance and its targets. Friends, this is Tata Power chart pattern. It has closed at 118.85. Nifty is doing well, but Tata Power is in a little bit pullback mode. You can see here the same pullback. If Nifty pulls back, this might go to even 110 level. So what I suggest you is to accumulate when it reaches to 110, closer to that. From then we can expect 140 levels, and you can keep stop loss at 102 okay, just 8%. If you enter at 110, 102 is the stop loss, and 140 is your target. That is previous high, you can see here. So previous high I have drawn here, this is the one. So recent, I mean next high is 140, so that you can expect in 3 to 6 months time. So buy on declines in this stock. So friends, the projected profit growth in short to medium term is around 27%. So stay invested for big profit. Friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share among your friends and family. If this is the first time you are watching my video, then please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. And also you may join our free Telegram channel for the updates. The link is in the description below. Let's see next stock that also fundamentally very strong. I will show you directly their technicals. So this one is Godrej Consumer Products. So you know Godrej also is like Tata. It has a very great history over century. So this Godrej Consumer Product chart pattern, I will draw a line here. You can see there is a beautiful pattern here which is head and shoulder, okay, this one, and it is currently trading at 870. Okay, it is also like Tata Power on pullback. So what I suggest you to take entry in this stock at 809. So this level here, closer to this, if you take enter, then with the stop loss of 150, okay, 150 will be somewhere here. You can see the gap up here. In this gap, it should not go below this low, which is 773. So that's why we are keeping around here 750 as a stop loss, and you are going to accumulate closer to 809 or 810. So from there, your first target will be 970, and second target will be 1150. The first target is around this high 970, and the second target will be 1150. So please accumulate on every decline, and don't forget to keep your stop loss, and as it raises you can keep trailing with the stop losses for every 5% of further move, okay. And this target we can expect in 3 to 6 months, the target 1, and target 2 can be in next 9 months, okay. So stay invested in this Godrej Consumer Product. It can be a great stock in future even. So friends, if you would like to know more profitable stocks like this, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Don't forget to comment, like and share among your friends and family. So friends, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will benefit from this video. See you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.